Again, so this is G for AI for Pinoys. Nabubulutan today ako. So this is G for AI for Pinoys. So ito naman ating AI for Pinoys na website mo, so you can see here. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-sign up, please do sign up kasi the demo ko ngayon is one of the applications that I use for AI for Pinoys. No? So pag nag-sign up ka, you just basically create an account, just like your email address, whatever, no? And then, pag sign in ka na, it will bring you to this dashboard, no? So, for the purpose of this demonstration, gusto ko lang i-flex ang ating, ang ating one of the business apps that I created, which is called, very app for mga e-commerce owners, no? It's called the Fit Check. So, ano ba yung Fit Check nila, no? So, the Fit Check muna is basically an application where you upload your image of yourself, and then the AI will generate an AI avatar model of you. And then you can then check out your clothes, no? So, pwede mo mag-upload ng mga damit na pwedeng i-try na virtual avatar mo, no? So, sampulan po natin siya. Right. So, this is how the application looks like. So, when you click on it, so you can technically upload a photo of yourself, no? So, upload tayo ng isang image. Sabi natin, kuha tayo na kuha tayo ng isang sample na model. Ayan, model sample. Siyempre ako yung ginamit ko na model. Anyway, so yeah, sabihin natin yan yung model ko. Python, wag na lang yan. Ibay natin. Use a different picture na lang. Mukhang gag. Si Kuya. Yeah. At least kalahati nakatawa. Kasi gusto ko ma-demo sa inyo how it uses it, no? So this is how it generates the image. Yeah. So makita mo siya kung ano yung nature niya. Cool. Halos kumukha. And then you can proceed to styling, no? So yung styling nito is, yung kagandahan nito is you can actually have him wear the different clothes that you have, no? So kung e-commerce or fashion designer ka or affiliate marketing ka, at gusto mo siyang gumagalaw, ito pwede mong sapula. So like for example, mayroon akong shirt ng AI to Pinoys, pwede may click lang yun, at susuopin niya yan ng AI avatar niya, no? So, takes a while though, but it uses Gemini as the Gemini Nano Banana as the image model. As you can see here, no? So, this is one of the use cases, no? I personally like the hoodie. Gusto ko talagang paggawa ng hoodie na din ito. So, but yeah, you can have it explore this one as well, no? And then the other thing is you can just upload your own, let's say, upload your own image kung ano meron ka, kung ano among damit na meron ka, and it will do it. Pwede mo siya palitan ng mga poses, kung anong gusto mo post sa kanya, no? So that's a quick rundown of AI for Pinoy. Quick check muna. I'll do a deep dive video on this next time. So see you guys.